Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Umentri ka Sorkar jila uba wailat miki shila habakren makinong tho khobor ha kabaydey bat kamat building bylaw. Ulapan syai kani ka jingpin kala ya kaan kadey kalat ya upat ba bandon jaka hakithan sor. Da kabakdo ya kaan special project haka section A 2.60 kidey ki badon ya ka jaka kumbasan pau hajar square feet Badong baling ba kani karai ka Sorkar kaminjor ya ka jingpin kala ban pinduna na ka san hajar square feet syakalai punyo hajar san spa square feet haba ai jingken ha ka baydey bat ka scheme new Shillong township water supply uba wailat ulapentip banaka san spa san pulai klurtingka ka Sorkar kala Mang Pisa syaka hnyo spa hnyo pau klurtingka na kabenta ka jingpin kenria jaka bantay ya kadam hanong hali Shu aha kabaydey barkajing minjur bantay ya ka indoor stadium uba wailat uloong baha kajing shisha latmu bantay ya ka stadium hapo pamlakrai ha ka baka Sorkar kalamang khat ar hajar square meter ha kajing lut kaba arpu ar ponhnyo san klurtingka hinrei lapin kendria no sha tu khon jongsha maukan row block namar kajing don kam ya ka jaka kabakan thup sha ka khat san hajar south pa khat nyo square meter Bat kajing dot kalakiw syaka laipusan point saw not klurtingka.
This building bylaws.
Yeah.
If you can tell us what exactly is this amendment actually?
This amendment is actually is for because to give the opportunity to the people who have land in the urban area, where in the past the amendment which says like this section A 2.60 special project mean those project / building which with large scale activities such as hotels, public institution, healthcare, shopping malls, multiplex, ICT, BPOs, educational institution having a minimum plot of area of 50,000 square feet and minimum single cover area of 20,000 square feet. So this will come under the special project. But with this amendment, because we have seen that many of our people here, they won't be having such big land of 50,000 square feet. So that's why with this amendment, we have reduced this area from 50,000 square feet to 37,500 square feet and a minimum single cover area of 15,000 square feet. So means like the people can really who have this much of land, they can build the special project where they can get more story building which can benefit them.
So what is the revised estimate for the new Shillong township water supply scheme?
The revised estimate for the Shillong township water supply scheme. Water supply scheme it's the 770 crores from the 553 before. Then it has become 770. It's because of the shifting of the area for constructing of a dam, where we have to take it upstream because of the coming up of the scientific this landfill in Nonghali, and also because we have to have a dedicated electrical lines. So that also has really increased the cost, and at the same time because we have to for the LA also. For the land, because we will be needing a lot of land, so that's why it is for the land acquisition as well.
Why the government is thinking now only about it? When they planned it, they know that this has to be done.
No, because actually this was way before, because during the scientific landfill, so there were many EOI which came. So at that point of time, we don't know which landfill will be suitable. So during when they go for inspection, then only they came to know that okay, Nonghali is feasible. So but by that time that the PHE department or for this Shillong water supply scheme, the plan was already there. So that's why. But later on we shift. So you do realize, because we are it is for the water supply scheme, so it cannot be near the landfill. So that's why we have to push it upstream.
Also, you can tell us about sports infrastructure, some hiking.
This is regarding as you all know that the same thing both of them, because we have taken because in the past what happened that any escalation the department used to take it to the finance and get it clear. But now the cabinet has decided any escalation above 25%, it has to get the cabinet approval. So same thing here also. This Madan Tukhon Jongsha, the indoor stadium in Jongsha. This also because at the beginning we were supposed to construct it in Pomlakrai. So firstly, there is a shift of the location, and then at the same time we realized because of this national game and other things, so there are a lot of changes. I mean, like the planned area, which the area at the beginning it was supposed to be 12,031 square meter. It has increased to the 15,417 square meter. So the scope of work has increased tremendously, and other things. So that's why the amount has increased from originally from 22.75 crores to 35.40 crores.